He's sliding it around. Only two-wheel drive. We gotta cheer him on through this mud. All right. So far, looks like it may be the slowest tumble of the weekend, unless he can pick it up. This part right here, this is gonna get ugly. I don't think he's gonna clear it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Looks like he's not really off to any better of a start. Uh-oh. Whoa, what do you think of that? Let's see if he can get a bigger run at it. He's gonna need more of a run than that. He's gotta find that traction. If he can't get over the obstacle, he's just gonna go around it. Every obstacle missed is a 5-second penalty. So right there, he does have his first penalty, as he's not able to get over the obstacle. He's gonna try and slide around, drifting around that van. You can see him, he's just spinning those tires. Sometimes slower is faster in tough truck racing. He's trying to get it going. What does the Toyota say? He's trying just to get to move. Looks like that might be it for Robert Lomber in that Toyota 4Runner. Maybe he should go back to his daily driver of a Toyota Prius. The fans are saying they think a Volkswagen Bus would do better. He's still trying. I think I can cross the finish line faster on foot. He's struggling still. All right, so he jumped the start. So already a penalty. All right, he's coming around. All right, let's see what he's got as he comes by. Oh, sliding around. You're facing the wrong way, buddy. All right. Just trying to even come close to following the course. So far, he's in the lead. He actually may be the first one across somewhat. All right, the fourth tourist is coming around.
Oh, Patrick could be having a fit right now.
All right, here we go. Let's see if front-wheel drive is an advantage. Oh my God! Check this out.
Down now.
All right, so far looks like we may have a leader. is not making the full loop around the band or hit the double. So that is 10 seconds in penalties so far. Uh-oh. You can see he's got a pull string for the throttle. A full string throttle. That I have never seen in Tuff trucks.
Instead of your brake helping horn. I'm not sure why. I wonder.
All right, let's cheer him on. Here he comes. Coming around the halfway point. All right, he's coming around the back stretch. Here he goes. So far, oh, getting a little squirrely there. So far, the